Isn't it amazing how, man, you can watch your parents right before your eyes get older and older? Holy shit. Yeah. My dad can't drive, and I thought the world came to an end. He says he can't shovel snow. That's bullshit. My mother always needs her glasses. She needs help when she bakes. You know when they really get old? When they start talking about the will. My father was Greek accent. Jesus Christ. You get everything. You get the restaurant, the family home, all the rental properties. You get the family home in Greece, all the properties in Greece. All of the life insurance money goes to you. And the thing is that they just won't die. We tried poison, nothing works on these people. And they have chihuahuas. There is no rhyme or reason for the two old Greek people to own two little angry Mexican dogs. Fuck, I want to build a wall around them. They do nothing but shake and bitch, that's all they do. After a while, like, heal. No, I can't stand that dog. Those eyes, cold black, beady eyes, ready to pop out. Don't you want to pick up a chihuahua and just go? Oh shit! Did you see